Yes, Pranav, am I audible to you, Pranav? Pranav, am I audible to you, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Yes, good evening, children. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, Pranav, am I audible to you? Pranav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, Pranav. Right, Sriniket joined Ashwat. Sorry for delay, children. Today I went outside. It's due to traffic jam. Not back at right time. Yeah, we are in data handling, children. We already discussed about bar graph as well as double bar graph. We need to do with pie chart. Today we are going with pie chart. Yeah. Yes. Pie chart. Right. Children, how to draw the pie chart, how to represent the data using pie chart or circular graph. You can say anything, circular graph or pie chart. How are we supposed to do that? Yeah. Circle graph is also called as pie chart. There are two names, children, for circular graph. Yeah. Hari Karthik. So in circular graph, what we are going to show, we are a whole, complete whole, we are making the relationship between a whole part and its part. Hence, the whole circle is divided into sectors or segments. Yes, in pie chart, we are dividing whole circle into sectors or segments, children. Huh?
Sectors.
Yes, sectors.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Right. Wait, I want to know. Okay, okay. Yeah, because maybe that's why I'm continuously asking children, because you people can do some part of eye exercises too when you're in the classroom continuously. You have to do some part of eye exercises. So see, the child is worrying about that part. Right. Right, children. See, these are the circle graph or pie chart. So in this circle graph, we are dividing whole circle into sectors. The sectors also, children, according to the data, the sectors also the size of each sector is proportional to activity or information given. Whatever the information we are representing, it should be proportional to the size of the each sector. So there is a few things we need to discuss. Suppose this is the question here. Each of the following pie charts gives us a different pieces of information about your class. So find the fraction of the circle representing each of these information. Here 50% girls and 50% boys in first one. Second one, walk 40%, 20% by bicycle and by car or bus 40%. And the third one means transport to school. This is regarding to the transport to the school. First one regarding to the percentage of girls to percentage of boys, and then last one, love or hate mathematics. So there are most of the kids love by maths. What is the part of people can love the maths, children, according to the given picture? 85. 15% hate mathematics, right, children? This is only just finding the fraction. You need to find the fraction because 50% are girls means how you supposed to calculate the fraction here, children? 50% of total. What is total?
100.
50%, 50 by 100. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Find the fraction of circle representing each of the information. Girls are by looking only, we can say it's a half of girls and half of boys. What about the second one regarding to the transport to school? Yes. 20% cycle means what fraction of people are going in your cycle? 20 by 100. So it is nothing but 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Similarly, 40% means 40 by 100. Only they mentioned only find the fraction. That's why we are not going anything. We are just taking as a total 100%. Among 100%, 40% are working. So 40 by 100. Similarly, it's a 4 by 10, which is 2 by 5. Same thing, 2 by 5 walking and 2 by 5 bus or car and 1 by 5 by bicycle. So total together 5 by 5, which is complete circle. Yeah. Now coming to the next part, 15% hate mathematics means what fraction of people hate mathematics? So 15 by 100, which is same as 3 by, yes, 3 by, what is 15 by 100, children? What is 15 by 100? Yes, children, fractions also you need to remember. Yes, the table, because if they're given the yeah. Now, yes, 15 by 100 is nothing but 3 by 20. And remaining people means whom love mathematics. Out of 20, 3 people are hate. That means what is the rest of the part? What is the rest of the part, children? Yes. Yeah, 17 by 20. Then whole is nothing but 17 plus 3. Total 20 out of 20 is once again the whole part. There are few things we need to remember, children, regarding to fractions. Yes, Pranav, any difficulty to join the class or else any problem, ma? Pranav, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So children, you have to remember these things also in fractions. because 1 is nothing but a complete whole, it's nothing but 100%. So 1 by 2 is nothing but how much? What is 1 by 2, children, in fractions? Yes, 50%. Please remember the table, children. It's easy for you to do your part of calculation. 1 by 3 is nothing but 33, 1 by 3%. 33, 1 by 3%. 1 by 4 is nothing but 25%. As we know that 21 by 4 into 100, which is equal to 25. So 1 by 5 is nothing but 20%. Because if you know these things, we can do more faster. The 1 by 6 is nothing but once again 16, 2 by 3%. Now, based on these values only, we are doing further. This is about 100. Suppose 2 is nothing but 200%, right? 200. So, if I want 1 by 7, if I want 1 by 7, how are you supposed to calculate 1 by 7? This 14 2 by 1 by 7 is 14 2 by, you just see that part, children, how it is written. 2 by 7%, 14 2 by 7%. Next, 1 by 8 is nothing but, what is the value of 1 by 8? 1 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 8 into 100, which is 12.5%, right? If you know this fractions, so you can do more easily your calculation part. 1 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 9 into 100, 11 times 99, 1 by 9, 11, 1 by 9%. All right. 1 by 10. What is the value of 1 by 10? 10%.
I'm 10.
Right. Because 1 by 11. Suppose 1 by 11 is nothing but 1 by 11 is nothing
Ma'am,
but
is it
what?
5?
No, 1 by 11. 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is 11. 100 by 11, children. 9 times
9,
9
1 by
times.
11.
Very good. 9, 1 by 11%.
1 by 12.
1 by 12. Yeah, because why I'm doing this means this is more helpful when you're doing your calculations, children. So 1 by 12,
There is
100
a
by
fraction
by-
question. We should take these. Huh?
fractional representation. Same way, if I want 2 by 3, if I want 2 by 3, where is 1 by 3? This is 1 by 3. Suppose
Yes,
if I want 2 by 3, directly I should multiply, right? Yeah, double of this.
6.
33.
6.
66.
Okay, 66. 1
2 by
by, sorry,
no,
2 by
no,
6.
no, it's 2 by 3. It's
Ma'am,
2
how
by.
is it 3? It's 6, no,
You
ma'am.
just do it, beta. Do it.
No,
Do
ma'am.
it.
Actually, you wrote 2 by 3. No, ma'am. That should be 2 by 6.
Because this is also here you are multiplying everything with 2. 33
ma'am.
into 2 is 66. 1 into 2 is
Okay.
2.
2. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that relation, to know that relation only I'm writing
Okay.
the things, children. Suppose 2 by 5. These are the basic things, children. Based on this basic part of fractions as well as conversion of percentage, we can see here. Suppose the same like a 2 by 5. Can you please tell what is the value of 2 by 5? Because 1 by 5 we know very well. What is 1 by 5? Yes. Yes. What is 1 by 5, children? 20. So 1 by 5 is nothing but, so if you multiply with this,
Point
becomes
20.
2. Yeah, 2 into 20 into 2.
40.
40. Please be aware, children. 3 by 5. Suppose I want 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is nothing but 30%.
30%.
That's all, children. You can, based on this basic part, you can develop anything. Suppose if I want 2 by 7. Okay, 2 by 7. You know 1 by 7. What is 1 by 7?
14. 2 by 7.
2 by 7 is 28.
28. 4
4
by
by 6.
7. Bas.
For that, to make anything make easier, this is your basic part, children. Please remember.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you know that, we can do more faster. That's why, like a table, you need to remember these things. How we
Okay,
are doing like a table. So please keep in your mind these all things.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm just giving few examples. You can develop many fractions based on that. Suppose if I want 5 by 6. So what is 5 by 6, children? Fraction 5 by 6. 16 5s are how much? 80, right?
Yes, ma'am. 80.
80 then 5 2s are 10 by 3. Can we write it as this? Can we write like that? Is it true?
I think no.
Please convert once 5 by 6. That means 500 by 600. 6 you can do it. What values you are going to get?
See, ma'am, it's the wrong, ma'am.
Wrong. How? What is the
Ma'am, 5 by
mistake?
6, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am.
500 by 6. So which is same as
5 by 6.
20. So here this 10 by 3 can be further. This is improper, right? It's not proper fraction.
Yes, ma'am. That is
So
improper.
this is once again we will write it as a 2. No, it's a 3.
3.
3 1 by 3, right? This
Yes, ma'am.
number you have to add up to this. Please check once again whether we are doing correct or not. 83 1 by 3 you will get actually.
83 1 by 3.
Yeah, 83 1 by 3%. You can do, children. Why we are not writing 10 by 3? Because when you are writing mixed number, the whole part as well as proper fraction should be appears. But in this case, improper fraction is appearing. So in that case, directly you can, what you will do, you can simplify and you can do it.
Ma'am, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
it is 5 by 6. The answer will be.
Answer will be?
I think it will be 5 by 6. I did it in mine,
No,
ma'am.
5 by 6 fraction only we are converting into percentage. Ma.
Yes, ma'am. We should check that now, ma'am. I think it's correct.
Yeah, you can check. Please check it. 6 are 6 8 are. What is the value of 6 8 are? 48. 2
48.
is remainder. Bring down 0. 6
4.
3s are
Oh, sorry. 6 3s are 18.
18. What is remainder here?
2 point.
So how you will write 18? 83 2 by
83.
6.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
by 6.
83 2 by
2 by
6.
6. Further
Ma'am, why
we
did
can
you
write
write
it.
directly 83 2 by 6?
We cannot because this is we can further simplify, right?
Ma'am, we can put point no, ma'am.
No, my question is
83. Ma'am, if you put the dot, ma'am, with the decimal point,
okay,
then
you
0.
can, I'm not asking about decimals. I just want to
Okay,
know
ma'am.
the
Okay, ma'am.
percentage of fraction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Is it, children? Now this table is helpful for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is the base part you can remember so that you can do your calculations more fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine, children. Shall I clear the screen so we can
Yes,
move to the next part?
Clear it, ma'am.
Pranav, any doubt here how we supposed to get the base values? This is a basic we know half is nothing but 50%, 1 by 3 33, 1 by 4 is 25%, 1 by 5 is 20%. We are doing right. If you know till this base part, we can do further calculations. Children, more is whatever the fraction you want, you can do. Now, coming to our own part of questions, answer the following questions based on pie chart. Answer the following questions based on pie chart given here. So, in this case, which type of program are viewed the most? Which type of the program are viewed most? By looking only, we can answer, children. Entertainment. 50% people are watching. and sports watching 25%, news watched by 15%, and the rest information about information 10% there. This is the data through pie chart they given. So based on this, which type of program are viewed the most part? You can look here, children. The most part is entertainment. Yeah. Yeah. Which two types of programs have number of viewers equal to those watching sports channel?
News.
Yeah. If you see the sports channel here, 25%. So news 15% and information 10% together. These two together equal to sports. So that's why which two types of programs means the news as well as information.
Information.
Yeah, that's the first thing, children. Basic things. And coming to construction of drawing a pie chart is a more important thing. This is only part of reading. We are doing only reading and answering the pie chart.
Ma'am, do we have exercises for this?
What, Sriram?
Do we have exercises for this, ma'am?
I think much more is not there. One or two exercise, only the part of everything is omitted. I don't know what type of questions will be given. Only one exercise you,
Yes, ma'am.
only one exercise you have.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have probability in this.
Okay, ma'am.
Only one X.
Ma'am, this is included in data handling chapter only, no, ma'am? For
Yeah,
me,
in data handling only. This is data handling only, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. I mean, actually, it's not in my textbook, ma'am.
In this lower classes, we are taking as data handling. In senior classes, what you are taking? This is a statistics for you.
Okay, ma'am.
It's like one of the brands of neurology.
Yes, ma'am.
I am coming to the part of next question. You see the next. Drawing pie chart is more important. How to draw the pie chart? So there is a flavors of ice cream is given, chocolate and vanilla and other flavors. Students who prefers different flavors, percentage was given here. Chocolate by 50% and vanilla by 25% and other flavors by 25%. Once based on this, you need to construct a pie. You have to draw the pie chart. So first point, what we are going to take first a circular chart means a circle means what is the total angle in circle, children? 360 degrees. 360 degrees. We are equating 360 degrees to 100%, total 100%. So here 50%, half of circle is when chocolate flavor. As you see, the total angle, the total angle at the center of the circle is 360. That's why center angle is 360 degree. The central angle of the sector will be fraction of 360. We make the table to find the central angle. This is more important. To find the central angle of the sector, each sector, what we supposed to do? First, given fraction, you need to convert into given percentage, please convert into fractions. That's first point. So now you please tell children 50% is nothing but what fraction? It should be equal to?
50
It
by
should be equal to half. Half,
is
yes, 50 by 100, which is same as half.
half.
Now, if you want to find out the central angle of the each sector, you have to multiply this fraction with the 360 degrees. That's more important, children. To find out the central angle of each sector, we need to find out what first you have to convert them as a fractions, then you have to make them multiplied with 360. Half into 360, how much, children? It's 180 degrees. 180 degrees belongs to chocolate flavor. Coming to vanilla flavor, we know 25% is nothing but 1/4. 1/4 into 360. 1/4 into 360. Please cancel, children. Yeah. For ones are 4, 9 times 36, so which is equal to 90. Other flavors is also same. So this is your values. First you are constructing your table to make to draw your chart. First you need to make your table. Once your table is ready, you go for construction of pie chart. You need to draw a circle with your convenient radius. So there is no fixed radius here. You can take your own radius and mark a center as a O as shown in your figure. That's OA. Now what you have to find out the angle of the sector for chocolate flavor. It's already we constructed the table for each and every flavor. So how many degrees it is, we know that.
Ma'am,
So
so in
yeah.
exam they'll not mention radius, ma'am.
No, they won't mention. 1 minute, beta, or else I will go through the what is the other board, ma? Math board is there to construct the circular chart. 1
Okay.
minute, I'll share that part, so
Okay.
it's easy for you.
Okay.
Okay, right. Yeah. What is the table we are getting, children? First, what we are doing? What table we are getting here? Different flavors we are taking. So vanilla, no, chocolate first. Chocolate is 50%. So 50% fraction should be equal to, sorry, percentage should be equal to fraction. But the complete angle is
Yes, ma'am.
360. So we are multiplying with the 360, which is 180 degrees. This is the angle, sector angle. Whatever the sector you are making, so that same other thing is vanilla. Vanilla is 25%. So 25% is nothing but 25 by 100. So which is same as 1/4. 1/4 into 360. This is 90 degrees. If you simplify, for ones are 490 times. So other flavors also prepared by 25%. So same as 1/4. 1/4 converted into angle, so 90 degrees. So this is first part. Once this one done means you have to draw a circle of your own radius. You can construct your own circle of your own radius. So that's first thing. Once it is done means you can take a center as a O. You can take a center as a O. Then construct OA. They mentioned you need to construct OA.
OA.
Yeah, anything. You can take any side. You can OA you can construct.
Yes, ma'am.
Once constructing OA, now you have to check what is your first one to construct the chocolate flavor. We need to make as 180 degrees, right? Now you have to use your protractor to take your 180 degrees. So you have to place it, your base line should be exactly made on the whatever the line I drawed here OA. So like that you have to
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
and where is 180 degrees, children? Obviously the 180 degrees is you can
Ma'am, it's the
mark
same,
it.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah, you can
ma'am, you marked in, ma'am. The opposite of it is 180.
opposite exactly. But in this case, maybe it's exactly. Some other cases we are not.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
you just
Ma'am, but
remove
still,
your.
ma'am, if we take any side, ma'am, it will connect to ono, ma'am. So we can directly take it as 180.
Yes, yes.
Like
you
that
can,
also. In some cases.
Yeah. And this is 180 degrees, children. Yes, very good. This is 180 degrees. So what we can take, this is very same as chocolate flavor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, so it is divided in half.
Now the rest of the part is divided into half. Why? Because
Because it is 90.
vanilla and other
Vanilla
flavors.
and
This case it is easy, ma. Other we don't know how much it is. So that for that we need to take the once again.
yes, ma'am.
You supposed to be build 90 degrees, children. You can
Okay, ma'am.
yes, you can take your protractor, adjust your protractor to be on the baseline. It should be on the baseline. Now you are checked 90 degrees. Where is your 90 degrees, children? Exactly here, right? Exactly here. Maybe in this case it is easy, children. You can. Oh, no. 1 minute.
Ma'am, you not
Is
kept the line dot, ma'am.
no. 1 minute. I'm adjusting. Please check it right now. Check it. Yeah. Is it the baseline is matched with your
Yes, ma'am. It's
OA? So you have to first take
one side it's the
90
same.
degrees, either this side or other side you can take. So 90 degrees is here. You just mark with your pencil here the dot so that you can construct the part of 90 degrees. So as this is 90. It's like that you can construct your part, children. But in this case, it is easy the values because all are half 180, 90. It's more easier than. But suppose 10 degrees, I should construct how I should construct the 10 degrees. Chocolate, vanilla, and the 90 degrees is others. This is the way you can construct your pie chart.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you're on mute.
First step is you need to construct the table, children, and you need to make central angle for each of the sector. How to make a central angle for each of the sector is more important. First, if it is given in fractions, you have to take the percentage to fractions. Then whatever fraction you are getting, multiply with the 360. Why we should multiply with this 360 means the center of the circle is 360 degrees. That's why we are multiplying with 360 degrees. And now you check in this case, there is a figure given here.
Okay, ma'am.
House rent 10% and education for children 15%, food 25%,
Ma'am, first
clothes
we divided
10%,
the
savings
circle with
15%, and
180.
others 25%, 20, and transport. So you need to construct.
Ma'am, that is easy, ma'am. First we need to make the circle half. Then we should divide them.
No, because they did not mention anything. Okay, what is adjoining figure? The expenditures in percentage was given during a month. So on which item expenditure was maximum?
I think food.
This is only reading bar graph, children. There is no constructing part here. because they are mentioning by looking this given data, you have to answer the question. So expenditure was maximum on which of these children 25%, right?
Yes, ma'am.
25% is their family is spending on
Food.
food. So you have to write that part also, children. The same way, question number 2, expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings of the family. Savings is nothing but 15%. Expenditure on which item is equal to the total savings of
Education for children.
Yeah, education for children is also spending 15%. So you can equate savings very same as spending on education. Question number 3, the monthly savings of family is 3,000. Suppose saving is nothing but 3,000. What monthly expenditure on clothes? So here it's very simple, children. Monthly saving is given as 15%. 15% should be equal to 3,000. What is monthly expenditure? Expenditure is
What, ma'am?
expenditure on clothes.
10%.
So 15% is 3,000, 10% is how much? That's more important. That's very easy to explain. They mentioned 15% is nothing but 3,000. You need to find 10%.
First we need to
10% is?
find 5%.
Yes. 10% should be equal to how much?
1/10.
To go with cross products, children, 10 into 3,000 divided by 15. So 10 2 times, 10 3 times. 3 ones are
3,000.
3,000. So which is 2,000. It's 2,000. So the same way you can find out whatever the required questions are asking. You can find out, children. Here only the 3 questions. So based on the 3 questions we completed.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Now there is another one. On particular day, the sale of different items of bakers is given. Ordinary bread, fruit bread, cakes and pastries, biscuits and others. These are the total things on particular day. The sale in rupees of different items of baker's shop is given. You need to draw the pie chart. First, to draw the pie chart, you need to construct the
Table.
table. What table you have to each sector angle? Yes. You need to find out the sector angle. So to find out the sector angles, how many items are there here? Ordinary bread, fruit bread, cakes and pastries and biscuits and others. Total together 720. This is the total. But which should be equal to how much? So how you will get the fractions? For ordinary, suppose I want the fraction for ordinary bread. How I should get for ordinary bread?
Ma'am, 320 by 720.
Very good. It's 320 by 720. That's your fraction. Once you are getting fraction to construct the sector angle, how you supposed to? 320 by 320 divided by 720. That's very good. So you should multiply with
360. You need to multiply.
Very good. You should multiply with the 360. Very good. Come on, children. The same thing we are doing, what we are doing, the same way we are constructing the table. Because the complete center angle is center angle of the center angle at the center in a circle is 360 degrees. So this should be very keep in your mind. Based on this, on first item, what is the first item?
Ordinary bread.
bread,
Blanket.
320. Yeah, ordinary bread. So how you will get fractional part, children? So ordinary bread is sell on particular day rupees 320. 320 out of 720.
One
Come
by
on, children.
1/3.
It's not a 7. Please simplify and let me know the fraction.
1/3, ma'am.
Which table you cancelled?
Ma'am, first, ma'am, I did with 2, ma'am. Means I cut the zeros and
16. Yeah.
2.
Again. Again.
16 ones are 16 twos are.
Yeah.
1/2.
16 twos are 32, not 36 letter. 4 table I'm cancelling. 4 fours are 4 nines are. What
Okay.
fraction you are getting?
4/9.
So this is the fraction you are getting. Once you are getting fraction, to construct the center angle of sector, how to make angle of sector, children?
Ma'am, 4/9 into 360.
Yes, sir. Angle of sector is nothing but
Multiplied by 360.
yes. Come on, please. 9 fours are 36, 40. So which is 4 fours are 160 degrees is for ordinary bread. You need to how much part you should construct 160 degrees angle. Now go with the same way other types also, children. What is other? Fruit bread. Fruit bread. How many rupees for fruit bread?
80. 80 by
80. Total amount was 720. Come on, children, please. 8 ones are 8, 9 times 1 by 9. This is the fraction part. Once you are getting fraction angle of sector 1 by 9 into 360.
which is 40.
So very good, which is 40 degrees.
40 degrees.
Like that, you need to construct for each and every part in your question, children.
Okay.
How I did for fruit bread, ordinary bread and fruit cake. Same way you need to go for cakes and pastries, biscuits and others. You please do it, children, quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
If any logical way you can see also, because 82 times 160, yes or no? 82 times 160. So by looking only, what is the angle for the third one? Easily you can say, what is the center of angle of the sector for cakes and pastries?
3.
By looking only, you can say logically, you can think and let me know, children, because it is 80. It is 80. For cakes and pastries, on cakes and pastries, how much they are getting? 160 rupees. So double of 80. 80 is double of 80 only, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's double of 80.
Yeah, which is 16 ones are 16, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. To find out the 1 by 4 into 360. Come on, children. 1 by 4 into 360 or what?
90 degrees.
Is it 1 by 4 into 360?
Yes, I'm on 160.
Is it 80, children? 80 or 90?
I'm 90, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sure?
Yes.
Go with the next last one. Others
Ma'am, I got it.
fruit
Ma'am,
biscuits.
1/9, ma'am.
Anna?
Ma'am, it is 2/9. Cake and pastries.
It's 2 by 9.
Yes, ma'am.
What is 16 now? Oh, it's not 74. Right. It's 720. 2 by 9. Sorry, children. You are very good. 2 by 9, which is, that's why I'm thinking it should get 80. Yeah, it's 80 degrees. Right, because just twice of this number means twice of this value also. So twice of this is absolutely, it's 80. Very good, very good. Good, good observation. Who is that? Biscuits, on biscuits.
Biscuits on
How much children? It's 120, right?
20 plus 70.
120 out of 70. 12, how many times? 12 ones are?
12 six are.
12 six are, 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into 1, 360.
Which is 60, ma'am.
60 degrees, right now. Last one, others.
20.
If any relation directly proportional, everything values are proportional, children. Others is 40. Without calculating, please let me know how much the fraction. 80 means 1 by 9. Half of 80 means half of 1 by 9, right? So which is 1 by 18. No need of calculating. So half of 40 degrees, half of 40 degrees means
20.
half of 40, enta nana? Half of 40 is
120 for 40.
half of 40 ante enta re?
20, ma'am.
20. Now you have to calculate whether we are doing correct or not. You can recheck also. 160 degrees, 40 degrees, 80 degrees, 60 degrees, and 20 degrees together. How much you should get?
360.
Yes, correct. 360. Please check it. 80 and 20, 100, 60 and 40, 100, 200, 360. Yes, you are doing
360,
absolutely.
360.
Yeah, you are doing absolutely correct. You can draw now pie chart. Same way, children, you have to construct your own circle of radius. Then you have to mark center as a O.
Okay,
Then make.
ma'am.
Please, same steps you have to follow.
Okay,
Is it
ma'am.
any doubt regarding to
No, ma'am.
construction of pie chart? Yes. Yes, any doubts regarding to construction of pie chart, children?
No, ma'am.
And I think today we have new two students, children, Arush and Pranav, both are there. Arush, are you there? Pranav and Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, Nana, regarding today's session? Did you understood or else any difficulty here?
No, ma'am. I understood.
Very good. And what about Arush? Same thing, you have to take the values of 160, 40, 80, 60 and 20. Arush, please respond. Arush, are you there?
Cat, ma'am.
I hope you understood, ma. Any doubts?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, fine,
No
fine.
doubts.
Right, children. Now please do the pie chart. That's all for the day, because we are not going multiple. There are a few more exercises to practice for you. You can take those things and do it. Think and discuss and write the production of food grains of the state 2001 to 2006 in lakhs of tons given children, lakh tons, okay, 60 lakh tons and 50, okay. And the second one is choice of food for group of people. The second thing, third one is daily income. You can try these 3 bits as a work, children, as a homework.
Ma'am, do we have a test on Sunday? If so, on what chapter?
Same thing.
Okay.
What is today? What is today? The day is?
Friday.
Is it? Huh?
Friday.
Friday.
Friday, ma'am.
Oh, then day after tomorrow you have Sunday test. The same complete chapter, Nana, till data handling, till pie chart, till pie chart.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
the rest of the work, I think this part you can do by your own. Most of the questions are discussed. You can do your own and come with your doubts. So we will see only the doubts. And next class, we are going with the probability.
Bye, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, children. Have a nice day. Yeah. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night. Good night, dear.